Visa officers reject thousands of students who got accepted into top US universities. In fact, I've helped students get into Harvard, Columbia, even Yale, and still some got denied at the visa window. Today, I'm giving you the exact answers that finally turned things around because most of those rejections were completely avoidable. I will walk you through 5 student visa mistakes that most students don't even know they are making, even if your dream school already said yes. Because getting the I-20 isn't enough, and rejection isn't something you want to learn the hard way. You've done the hard part, the essays, the interviews you did with the universities, and even getting the acceptance letter from those universities. But here's the thing, the US visa interview is really a different game. It's not about your GPA, it's not about your TOEFL score, it's about perception. How one officer sees you right now in 2 minutes. And even the smartest students mess this up. I've seen it happen. Brilliant students rejected at the visa interview because they didn't know what to say, or worse, said too much. But you're really different. You're not just here to cross your fingers and hope for the best. You're here because you want to win this. You're here because you want to understand how visa officers think. You want to protect your dreams, and this video is your tool. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, my name is Abanob. I'm a foreign trained attorney with a master's in the US law, and I'm the founder of VIP US Immigration. I've worked with immigration attorneys and former visa officers for years, and I've helped many students like you prepare for this exact moment. Now let's get into it. Mistake number 1, talking about your family in the US without being asked. This one mistake triggers more red flags than you think. Visa officers are trained to listen between the lines. So if you casually mention, oh, my uncle lives in New Jersey, you've just planted a seed. Will they stay back? It doesn't matter if that wasn't your intention. But now, the officer is suspicious. So what to do in this situation? Unless you're directly asked, don't ever volunteer any information about your relatives. Keep the focus on your education and your return plans. Now mistake number 2, not understanding section 214B. This is the real reason most students' visa are denied. Section 214B of the law means the officer thinks you don't plan to return to your home country. They don't believe you're a temporary visitor to study here in the US. So your job is to prove that your life is in your home country, not in the US. That means to show future career plans back to your home country, talk about businesses, family ties, goals in your home country, not in the US. If you fail to do this, they will say no at your visa interview. Mistake number 3, giving too much information. The more you talk, the more chances you give them to say no. This is not a conversation. It's not a TED Talk. It's a visa interview. Answer only what's asked. So if they ask you why did you choose this university, don't say because it's close to my cousin and I heard the weather is nice. You can say something like this, because it offers one of the top programs in AI, for example, which aligns with my undergraduate research. Short, professional, and relevant. Now, mistake number 4, not showing strong return plans to your home country. Again, they don't care about your dreams. They care about your return plans to approve your student visa. They need to prove you're coming back to your home country. Here is how you can do this. Talk about the job offer waiting for you, if you have any. Mention a family business you plan to join. You can reference laws in your country that rewards US educated professionals. Or you can even mention your desire to teach or build a startup back in your home country. Remember this, home ties are gold to the US visa officers. Now mistake number 5. Framing your university choice poorly. If your reason for choosing the university sounds weak, your case will sound weak. You must avoid phrases like this: it was the easiest to get into, or it's close to my family, or they had rolling admissions. Instead, you can talk about this: the course structure, specific professors, industry partnership, internship opportunities in your field. Make it sound like a strategic decision, not a lucky break. And as a bonus tip here, you must dress professionally. Dress neatly, speak clearly, and stay calm at your visa interview. Avoid jokes, avoid slang. You're not there to impress, you're there to show purpose. Confidence is quiet. Let it show. in your eyes, not in your volume. So in this situation, what you can say if they ask about your relatives? If they do ask about family in the US, of course you don't have to panic. There is a simple, clean way to respond to this question. You can say something like, I have an uncle in New York, but I'll be studying in California and I'll be living in a student housing. I'm fully focused on my degree and plan to return to my home country after graduation. That's it. Don't get into details. Don't ever overshare. Be respectful, be fair. Here's the truth. Getting into a US university is not the final win. It's just the first door. The interview is where it all counts. The officer won't read your essay. They won't know your backstory. They will look at you for just 2 minutes and decide. But now you have the knowledge and you know the traps. You've seen the mistakes and you're ready to rise above them. For now, check out one of the videos coming up on the screen now. It's packed with simple answers, tune tips, and real guidance. And if this video helped you, hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and drop your question in the comments below. I read all of them. And just one last thing. I'm not a licensed US attorney in the US at the time of recording this video. And of course, I don't give legal advice on individual cases. Here we'll talk general, and everything is based on publicly available information and my own study and experience. Always talk to an immigration lawyer if you need personalized guidance. But I make videos like this because your dream matters, and staying informed is your best defense. As always, thanks for watching, stay focused, and good luck with your visa interview.